Welcome to another outstanding architectural project from GZGY Industrial Automation. This custom hydraulic lift-up door was installed in a premium commercial building project located in Shenzhen, China. A project recognized with the prestigious Luban Award, one of the highest honors in China's construction industry, designed for large-scale architectural openings. This hydraulic upward door features an impressive size of 5.6 meters in width and 4.95 meters in height, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. Unlike traditional doors, this large hydraulic lift-up system is not only a functional entrance solution but also an important element of the building facade design. When closed, it integrates perfectly with the architecture. When opened, it transforms the space and provides maximum accessibility. This type of custom door solution is ideal for luxury commercial buildings, exhibition halls, automobile showrooms, industrial facilities, high-end private projects. At GZGY Industrial Automation, we specialize in customized automatic door systems, including hydraulic lift-up doors, electric folding doors, smart windows, skylights, and architectural automation solutions. From concept design to manufacturing and installation, we provide complete solutions for global architects, contractors, and developers. Custom size, premium engineering, global delivery.